price range. But my other friends who want that that luxury look or want that uniqueness of flowers, or flowers are very important to them in their event, that is the niche that I gear myself towards. So hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with the Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today I am going to tell you how I create floral art pieces, just not centerpieces. Yeah, I've had 20 years experience in the floral design business, and I always tell everyone I am an artist and my medium is flowers, because basically I am truly an artist. And I would like to explain to you today on how I turn just flower arrangements into beautiful art pieces. And these are the things that I do to elevate my style so that I'm in a luxury type of niche. So a lot of times what I've noticed lately is that in this business, we have to stand out. I've seen a lot of people coming in, and you may be one of them, I'm sorry to say, but you came in and you're like, oh, I could do this, I could put flowers in a vase, whatnot. But in order to thrive in this business, will I go to somebody who can just throw flowers in a vase and they're like, are happy, or am I gonna go to someone who's going to create an arrangement that is jaw-dropping, or my guests are going to come in and be like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous? Would you go? I mean, some people will go to my friend over here because it's more in their price range, but my other friends who want that that luxury look or want that uniqueness of flowers, or flowers are very important to them in their event, that is the niche that I gear myself towards. So a lot of times, yes, you guys will see me do centerpieces that are just, you know, everyday, or even flower arrangements that are everyday, that you can just, you know, I teach you guys how to do, you know, 5 this, 4 this, and kind of make the arrangement so it's easy for you guys to do. But if you want to stand out, this is some of the things that I do. So number 1 is when a person sends me their inspiration, I try to tell them, okay, I am an artist. I'm going to create this as I feel it should look like. I'm gonna still give you the same flow. It's still gonna have that luxury. I'm still gonna have that same look, the same vibe, but it's gonna be my work. And like I tell people too, I can never recreate something that I've done before. You can give me something today and I cannot do the same thing tomorrow. So that's what I kind of do. So when I am creating, I am going with more of making it almost like an art piece. So I'm starting with some type of design, or I'm starting with some type of shape, or I'm using flowers, or my focal flower is something that's gonna stand out. It's gonna be something expensive like anthurium, or it's gonna be a protea, or it's gonna be even a garden rose, you know. It's gonna be something that is that's gonna stand out and make a wow statement in the arrangement, and it's going to be my focal point. So those are one thing that I really do, is use an expensive flower as a focal point. Now you don't have to use a lot of them, you know, 1 or 2 of those will do the trick. And even with the protea, you only need just 1 to give it the look that you're going for, or even the anthurium, you only need 2 at the most, sometimes 2 or 3 to make them look really. And remember, those are like $10 each, or a phalaenopsis orchid. I don't know if I said that right. You know, where those are like $10 a stem at wholesale price. Put one of those in an arrangement, chef kisses. And what I do now is I don't make those big round arrangements. We want it to be mindful. We want it to be very couture. So less is more. So less of the amount, but high impact arrangements. So I'm gonna show you a few arrangements in here that give a very high impact look. So I'm gonna pull it up on my phone and I'm gonna explain it to you, but you guys are gonna be able to see how the items look. So let's look at this. Okay, let's look at this very first picture. Now this one, as you can see, it is artful as is, and it just has three tulips that they flexed. Very simple. You see how it makes a piece of art, how it stands by itself. Picture these on a centerpiece on a table, and then they have, like at the corner, a few flowers. This is totally gorgeous. Now if you look at the next one, we have the yellow flowers where the focal point again is I think dahlias and tulips. Again, you have that fun artsy feeling, and it makes out for an art piece. And then again, as you can see, the berries that were used, and everything is going with the flow. It's not a lot of flowers. It's very simple. It's very unique and different, and you won't see everybody doing it. So that is one of the things that I try to do when I'm doing my art pieces as centerpieces. Now, here's another look. Okay, so as you can see, oh my goodness, this right here is everything to me. Is it gonna show? Oh my gosh, is it gonna show? No, it didn't. So this right here is just green hydrangeas. I know some people don't like this look, but it's very stacked and very pretty to me, and it still gives an art feel on the item. It's layered. It looks like it was intentionally placed, or it wasn't intentionally placed, but it gave it the mood of being an piece of art rather than you know, just a little round circle, or a very uniform, or very what else, or very basic. Now again, here's another bouquet, and like I said, the anthurium is just one of the focal points. I think that this person only put 2 on there. They use, I forgot what the name of these hydrangeas are, but look how beautiful that simple idea, or that simple bouquet. It's not gigantic. It's very, it's just everything. I just love it. Again, look at this arch. And I just love it how the green hydrangeas are stacked, how the roses are also stacked, and they're clustered in different ways. I think this is just another excuse me, another amazing look. Or even this backdrop. Wouldn't this just stand out and just show? It's just everything, I think, when it comes to being very artful or going into a different direction than what everybody else is doing with that classic centerpiece, or, you know, the classic look for that. So you guys, those are just 2 of the examples that we have. If you guys have any other examples of what you think would be very artful, or just let me know down in the comment section. Give me some links. Let me know what you guys got and what you think about how it's very artful, or even if you've done something very artful, let me know. I would love to see your guys' work. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hehehe